pack, and I got 6 boxes, or 6 packs. Each pack is about $25 on IKEA. And then I also got this grass rug. I got that from Home Depot, and that was probably about $22. So I'm still waiting on my other things to come from Amazon and Walmart, but so far so good. We've got this. Alright, so I'm just checking back in with y'all. So I did go to Walmart and I got some outdoor pillows. So these are supposed to be good for outdoors. If it rains, they won't get wet or whatever. And I also did get my 2 packages from Amazon. So the last thing that I'm waiting on is the Walmart order. So once I go ahead and get the Walmart order, which should be coming in the next couple days, then I'll go ahead and start putting everything together. Now, I doubt I'm going to use all of these pillows, but I don't know. There was about $5 a piece on Walmart.com. So once I go ahead and get the last 2 things from Walmart, then I'll go ahead and put everything together, and I'll come back when I get those. Okay, so this is this little privacy little mesh thing that I got from Amazon. It was about $30. When I tell you this was a headache to put up, I got so frustrated. I just stopped recording and all of that, but it does come with a string, and it also does come with zip ties to go ahead and put that up. My railing was too big for zip ties, so I used the string. Okay, so the area where I'm going to put the grass rug, it's a grass rug, but I'm going to put it on the wall. I've measured it out already, and it's only 41 inches, which this is a lot more than 41 inches. So I'm about to measure it and cut out 41 inches worth of grass wall. Excuse me for being out of breath, but putting that partition up, oh my God, it took me about 40 minutes. I did not expect that to be as hard as it did. But I'm about to cut this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so my camera somehow lost, well, my cell phone, I'm recording off my phone, it deleted the footage. So basically what I did was, as I told you before, I measured my grass wall and I stuck it up there with some, I tried to use a hammer and nail, but because this is like concrete, it's not going through. So I got some double-sided Gorilla Glue tape and just stuck the pieces up there and stuck the top half. It wasn't long enough, so I had to stick an additional half. And I also used it to fill in these extra little pieces. Now I'm gonna get a grill to put here, which is why I didn't take the running towel all the way over. And I also have running towel for there, there, and there that I am going to get cut to go around the post. So with the running towel, I ended up using only 5 boxes. You know, I got 6, but I only ended up using 5. I very well could have ended up using some of the 6 box, but I don't want to mess it up by putting the grill there in case charcoal or something falls. So I'm still working on it, but this is the update because the little progress that I did make, it ended up getting deleted. But so far, this is 5 boxes of the running towels. You just click them together. You can do one pattern. I did the pattern where I rotated them, and then this one, and this one are going to get professionally cut. Excuse my ashy hands, it's been a struggle. And then I use the grass to fill in certain holes. I was going to use rocks, but I'm like, hey, I paid for this grass and I still got a nice piece left. But alright, so I'll be back once I get the furniture and the other decorations out and get these tiles cut.